In our continuation this week on toxic, damaging dynamics in relationship, let's look at one belief that may come up. Have you ever found yourself thinking you are the problem in your relationship? If you would just be less demanding, more caring, more sensitive, or maybe less sensitive, then maybe this relationship would settle down a little and not have so many waves. Are you being told by your partner that you are the problem? If that is the case, just take a look at, is this really a place you are feeling treasured for who you are? For those of us in a conscious relationship, then what we need to ask is, okay, number one, how can I re-question this? Am I really the problem? Maybe the relationship has a problem that the two need to address together. And how could we go about asking for that? Another part of this could be something we have carried with us, a conditioned response. Whether we are getting that feeling from our partner or not, we may be carrying that from childhood or beyond. And let's just look at that part of us compassionately. Look at what the limiting belief behind that is, that we would automatically take upon ourselves. I'm the problem here. Well, does that mean our partner has no, quote, issues of their own? There's certainly a lot to look at with this topic, because if we are in a relationship where only one of us takes responsibility for any damage being done or any reaction, rather than always responding in the most perfect, upright manner, that's a lot for one person to be bearing on their shoulders. Just look at you, for you, and really ask, am I the problem? And learn to give yourself kindness, to be human, to not always respond the way you want to respond. In a mutual relationship, we forgive each other. We have open arms and say, I love you, even when we don't respond the way we would like to, even when there are heated moments. Both parties come together to repair. That is a healthy relationship. Maybe it's time to do a little tune-up check on your relationship and see which areas may need a little more attention.